Hello everyone, welcome to our brand new channel, Intellect Platform. My name is Salman Raza. You might be wondering what's the purpose of this new channel. So let me tell you. So in this channel, we're going to discuss about emerging skills, all the new skills and technology which are coming in the market and which would help us to progress further in the current and the near future. So let's start how we're going to do it. Okay, I would like to start by sharing a famous saying, half of the knowledge is the ability to say I don't know. So basically this is the start of the journey where you say I don't know and then you start learning that. So that's the key. Second thing is every human has got some God-gifted talent, God-gifted skills. Our aim is to find out those skills, those talents, and if we groom ourselves in those areas, we definitely be successful. In like our personal life or business life or in your career in the future. So that's the key. So we need to find out first of all what are those skills which you could be best at or God has given you those skills. So there are a few very basic questions you need to ask. It's not easy anyway to find out. Like if I go through my personal experience, it's not easy answer. But if someone really spend time to think about, you can get the answer. So first thing will be like what makes you feel strong, like what thing you do and then you feel strong about it. What actually thrilled you in your childhood? What do you want to spend most money on? And what do you do without thinking? So these are the few questions where you actually find out what your key skills or God-gifted skills are. And also you're asking your parents, your friends to help you out, and they can obviously give you some kind of feedback and comments which obviously help you to understand what are your skills, what kind of personality you are, and based on that answer you actually groom yourself in those areas. Then you meet experts, then you do practice, and then build and develop you in that field. So this is obviously the key for any kind of a learning. So our focus will be in our videos, our focus will be on all those points. So first of all, you need to find out which skill is good for you. Once you know, then obviously in every video we go through one by one different kind of emerging skills nowadays in the market, and we can obviously explain you how to access all that information. Okay, so now let's talk about how we're going to do this in these videos. Like our video will be based on a certain theme, and that theme is based on three main questions. First of all, what is that skill? So the video will be based on that skill. So we briefly explain what that skill is, so you will have a better idea what we're actually talking about, which area that skills relates to, and if it is matching with your God-gifted skill, then yeah, is a right video for you. So you can obviously go to the next stages as well. The second question will be why. So like, why is that skill important? So we cover because each skill in this new technological world, like we coming up with a new technology every day. So not every skill and not every technology will be fit for every person, but there are certain skills which are good for kids, some for the young people, some for the old people. So we actually explain why those skills are important and who's the target audience for that skill. So that's obviously the second part. And the third and the final part and most important will be how to get that. So how to access that information, how to obviously train yourself in that. So what will be the venue for you to get that information? So these are key. When you see our videos, you say what the new skills coming up, why is important, and how you're gonna get it. So that's simple videos based on these three questions. So hopefully that would help everyone to actually understand what is skill important for that for any person. And then if you need further training, then obviously you can go to more advanced training in that topic. So that's obviously whole of our video revolving around. So I think at the end of the video, I would ask you to comment with what kind of skills you think we should be talking about in these videos. And if you have any particular question for any particular skills or about how to get the information of that skill and way to access, so we can obviously help you out as well. So you can put the comments and get all the information. So I think this is obviously a brief introduction of this channel, and from next day or so we're going through each video for one skill every day, and obviously we can add in new and new skills in our videos as per your feedbacks and comments. So hopefully you all like this video, the first one, and we'll see you soon. So thank you very much.